This is the video for 5 hidden iOS tricks for 2024. The first trick is when you have to send someone a photo instantly on iMessage, then you have to tap on the plus message for a long time and the photos will appear on its own. The second trick is in the mail app when you have to send a hyperlink fastly, then simply select the text, copy the link in your clipboard and then simply click on paste. This will convert the text in the hyperlink. The third trick is in the Photos app, select a photo and tap on edit, then click on the plus icon below, and here you can add different shapes in the photo like this. And if you double tap in the photo, you can add text. You can also add text in it. The trick number 4 is that you can now change the haptic touch experience in your phone. So go to accessibility, then touch, haptic touch, and from here you can change the speed of the haptic touch. You can choose fast, default, and slow. The fifth trick is that if you accidentally move your icons to some other page, you just have to shake your phone and undo the move. All the icons will go back to there. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If not, you can search for more information on the topic at gossipfunda.com or check the link in the description for additional solutions. If you have any better suggestions or tips, feel free to share them in the comment section to help others. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel and visit the gossipfunda.com website for more insightful content.